For problem number 15, capacitors P and Q have identical cross-sectional areas A. So in this case, area of the capacitors is considered to be A, and they are separated by a distance D. So we can say the separation between the two plates, the separation is considered to be D. The space between the capacitors is filled with a dielectric of dielectric constant epsilon r as shown in the figure. In the first capacitor P, it is this green color code clear, this green color line drawn, that is having a dielectric of dielectric constant epsilon r. Similarly, in the second figure, that is in capacitor Q, the dielectric constant available is epsilon r. The other part is considered to be R. If the other part is considered to be R, then this is taken to have the value as epsilon 0. The permittivity of air medium is considered to be epsilon 0. What it is asked? Calculate the capacitance of capacitors P and Q. So you are asked to calculate the capacitance of the capacitor P and the capacitance of the capacitor Q. So let us see how we can able to solve this problem. So you just consider the problem. Again, let us go through the problem. The problem is capacitors P and Q have identical cross-sectional areas and are separated by a distance D. The space between the capacitors is filled with a dielectric of dielectric constant epsilon r as shown in the figure. Calculate the capacitance of the capacitors P and Q. So let us consider the diagram number 1. When you are considering the diagram number 1, these are the general concepts given. That is, area means area of the plate is A, separation between the two plates is D. We are asked to calculate the capacitance of P and the capacitance of Q. First of all, you consider the first capacitor P. See, in this first capacitor, we are having a dielectric which was being introduced in between the plates in vertical manner. So I can say half of the plates is filled up with the dielectric and another half is having what? Another half of the plate is having air medium. So in this arrangement, I can say the separation remains constant. So separation is D. But the area of the plate is separated into 2. So I am writing area of the plate as A by 2. Then when you are looking at the diagram, you can see both capacitors, one with air medium and another one with dielectric medium, are taken to be in parallel. If they are in parallel, then I can say the effective capacitance is equal to capacitance of the capacitor P, which is equal to the sum of the capacitance with the air medium plus the capacitance with the dielectric medium. Since they are in parallel, the effective capacitance is the sum of the two capacitors. So I am calculating what is the capacitor of air medium. So the capacitor of the air medium is considered to be, in general, it is C is equal to epsilon 0 into A by D. But here area becomes A by 2. Therefore, capacitance of area is epsilon 0 into A by 2D. Similarly, if you are considering the capacitor with the dielectric of dielectric constant epsilon r, then I can get the equation like this. C of epsilon r equal to epsilon 0 epsilon r into A by 2D. So effective capacitance is sum of the two. So Cp equal to, you add both epsilon 0 A by 2D plus epsilon 0 epsilon r A divided by 2D. So add panninga, we can get the final answer. Similarly, you go for the next one, capacitance for Q. See, in this case, the separation is divided into 2. Area of the plate remains the same, but the dielectric is introduced in such a way that the distance between the two plates is half. Half of the distance, dielectric epsilon r is introduced. For another half, you are having air medium. If that is the case, then that arrangement is just like the series combination of two capacitors. So here the area is representing it as A and the distance become D by 2. When you are having dielectric, what is the capacitance for dielectric? The capacitance for the dielectric capacitor is given by this formula. C epsilon R equal to epsilon 0 into epsilon R into A by D by 2. Taking 2 to the numerator, I can write 2 epsilon 0 epsilon R A by D. Similarly, if it is air medium, then I can write C of air equal to epsilon 0 into A by D by 2. Taking 2 to the numerator, you can write 2 epsilon 0 A by D. Since both of these capacitors are in series, the effective capacitance can be written as 1 by C effective is equal to 1 by C of dielectric plus 1 by C of air. So substitute and simplify. Finally, you can able to get the answer for the capacitance for Q as 2 epsilon 0 A divided by D into epsilon R by 1 by epsilon R.